Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Taslima Maya Art. Thank you for joining me, and today I have for you a very short video of two acrylic pouring pieces that I did. One of them is a beach pour on a plywood wooden heart, and the second one is a simple 10cm by 10cm canvas pour where I used a skewer to do mods. There's no narration over these two, so I'll let you watch in peace and I'll play some music for you. Enjoy!
Nothing ever felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children acting like a doll, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Now they keep us on speaking terms. We grow and we learn. I have no regrets, only forgets. Oh, a big thank you to life for giving us sand. Oh, when the timing's right, there's no wasteland. Oh, we were just children acting like adults, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Life keeps on moving. It's cold. Yes, life goes on changing. That we didn't fall apart harder than we did. There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, my homeless soul. I don't wanna fall back down. So I already touched the ground. Someone please hear me. Oh, here we go. And it's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go. And it's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, my homeless soul. Oh, here we go. And it's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go. And it's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, my homeless soul. Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing to try? Right. Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side. Are you ready for new? New beginnings, new pride. Let your spirit shine through. Many more will come. Many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. Nothing can hold us back. Oh, nothing can take us down. We stand joined. Many more will come. Many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. We just reboot.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can